Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Tron TRX crypto. In this video I'm talking about the latest update of the TRX. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, this video is a special message for all TRX holders, so keep watch. Also please subscribe my channel for more updates and news videos. The current price of the Tron TRX in the market is $0.06376 USD. That is the current price of the Tron TRX. And furthermore, if we talk about the price changes occur in the TRX, so now the last 1 hour changes is negative. The last 1 day, the last 1 week changes occur in the TRX is positive. Absolutely a good jump occur by the TRX just in the last 1 day, in the last 1 week. But don't worry, everything will be okay. You have to just wait, my friends. Anyways, now in this video I'm talking about the special message, so let me show you the special message about TRX. My friends, the special message about TRX is that you know what, a lot of people also ask me that what is the best coin to buy in the new month, especially in August. What is the best coin? So now I recommend for everybody, especially for TRX holders, that please buy more and more TRX. The future of TRX is bright, so buy now TRX. Possibilities, my friends, that in the August the price will explode, the price will increase, so buy now. Anyways, you can see here that is the last 2 hour update of the TRX. Absolutely the changes is negative, but you can see in the beginning the price pump and the last the price jumps. But as I show you in the start of this video, that the last 1 day, the last 1 week changes is positive, so possibilities that in the beginning of a new month the price explode and you get profit. But remember also that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrencies, any coins, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe now.